Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve desktop on Picsart, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you the window or to the app of Picsart and you can click. Here you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, but don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.